I'm currently walking up this way, hoping that I come. All right, that was one cactus. Ouch. What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome once again. Oh yes, and a special welcome to me. I'm so happy to be back home, back on island, back on this rock. I'm about to do it big. I know you were following my Traventure lifestyle series where I was chilling with the kids, jumping into the ocean every day, sleeping on the boat, seeing all those cool aquatic life. Well, I need some rivers, I need some waterfalls, I need some solo camps. And that's what I'm here to do tonight. Now, it's a full moon and I can see Mars. And I'm going to be spending my night out there on the cliff. I'm standing on a mountain. Man, the view is amazing, spectacular. I won't be able to show you on camera. But what I'm going to do is to make my way down the hill and find a spot where I'll be spending the night, waking up to a beautiful sunrise. And that's how I welcome myself back to the island. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you enjoyed the show. Let's make our way down the hill. It's a bit cloudy tonight, not very overcast, but there is absolutely zero breeze coming through to the coastline right now. Maybe when I get closer, I will get a much better breeze, but for now, nothing. Man, am I happy I wore long pants. I almost switched my long pants for short pants. Look at these cactus, man. These things are tall. Also in this high grass, want to be very careful because there's always a rock or two just poking out. So have to really lift your legs when you're walking over here. Not only that, but you have to be very careful where you put it down because you don't lift, you could trip, and you put it down awkwardly, you could land awkwardly and possibly injure your foot or twist an ankle. It's probably from a surface marker or a buoy of some sort. Alright, so I'm in the opening right now and I can go any which direction I want, but I need to look for a very comfortable spot to set up my tent. Lots of loose rocks here, so gotta be careful here. Hello, Mr. Gecko. You don't want to fall in there by accident. Time right now, locally it is 7:25 in the PM. And I didn't think I would go mountain climbing at 7:25 PM. But you know what? I am. And it's kind of cool. Yeah, you got me good, yo. Gotta look out for these cactus. Right here on the edge, you can hear the waves bashing, and it's a long way down. Ooh, we got some rosy reds there. Definitely check those out in the morning. All right, folks, so I found my home for the night. Very flat area right here. Very soft, spongy grass. Just need to make sure there are no cactus below or hiding in the grass. But I found home for the night. It is gorgeous, spectacular, beautiful. And yeah, I'm gonna set up my tent right now. I don't even need the light. Honestly, I could just do it with the moonlight. And yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Let me get the tent all set. See you in a bit. The moon. Here we go. The tent is already set up, ready to go. And it is an amazing night. I've got the light on just so you could see me, but honestly, I didn't need any light. I didn't use any light. Oh, and the light just went off. I don't know why, but it's all good, man. If only you could see what I see right now. It is beautiful. It's a gorgeous night. Moon is high. The red planet Mars is right next to the moon. I'm indoors right now, and man, I spent so much time on the outside. It is exactly 10:45. Woo-wee. It's definitely time for some sleep. If anything pops up, you'll be the first to know, or the second, because I'll turn the camera back on. But for now, I'm going to shut it off, and I will see you when I see you. Boop, boop. Boom. Let's go check out this amazing view. I knew it, man. Gorgeous. Now this is how you wake up on a morning. Whoa-sies. My super duper awesome Tensky Wensky from Ozark Trail, you were amazing. Yeah, this is how you wake up in the morning. Take a look at this as I speak to you in my raspy voice. So I walked all the way from the top here, came down, walked the coastline, up and up and up and up, and then I came up this way to right here, where I'm perched on the cliffside, overlooking the beautiful coastline as the sun peers down on me. Yeah, this is where I spent the night. That's it. Campsite is now on my back and everything is clear. Always like to emphasize, I left everything as I found it, except for some blades of grass laying flat. It is exactly how I found it. No trash, no garbage, no refuse. I'm not leaving anything lying around for anyone to get rid of for me. And now it's time to make my way up the hill, Jack and Jill style, and head home. So I'm not done yet. You're gonna be joining me on the trek because we didn't see it last night. I saw it under the moon. Now you're gonna see it during the day, so stick around. Let's do the walk. Pew! So I came across a few souvenirs that I'm going to be picking up on my way. Check this out. The prickly pear and the super delicious fruit. These right here are green, but there are quite a few red ones. I've already picked one. And this one is another. Of course, looking out for those little, you can see those little needles right here. Have to be careful of those. And this is gonna be breakfast. This right here is the exact same path that I used heading up to the campsite last night, and as you can see, this place is beautiful, man. That area right there almost looks deserty, but with the amount of rainfall that we've been having, the grass looks very green. But yeah, lots of cactus in this area. I mean, looks like a Western flick. Check this out. Perch right there on the cliffside. Beautiful scenery. I'm going to be walking along the coastline so we could check out the coastline some more. We're going to continue to do this trad all the way to the top of this hill. Thank you for sticking with me. Let's continue on. Honestly, for this side of the island, this right here is extremely calm. It's normally very rough, very windy. That is the Atlantic Ocean. Hey, if you want to take a dip, be my guest. It's actually not uncommon to see whales, dolphin, even sea turtles right here. I'm keeping my eyes peeled. Man, you should see the bottom of my shoe. Check this out. Check out the amount of thorns that are in this. Whoa. You may remember this from last night. It's the top of that buoy or surface marker. And we're heading into the boochies. Now this is what you call a view. Woo, man, I am sweating. The sun is pounding. It is 8:32 in the a.m. and it was an amazing camp. I really enjoyed that. The hike, wow, either I'm out of shape, I forgot how much of a trek this was, or I don't know what it is. But either way, I'm gonna close for now. And this is the part where I'd like to thank you so much for joining me here. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you know what to do. hit that like button down below. Of course, feel free to share this video, share this link with any and everyone who can benefit. Hopefully, it could inspire others to aspire. Find your happy place, enjoy, set up camp, explore. Just go out. Put the devices down, just go out. Well, after you watch this video, put the devices down and go out, explore, get to know your surroundings. Might not be this spot, might be another spot, might be your backyard. Just go out and explore. Lots of boats on the water. Of course, I'd love to know what you think. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you enjoy seeing videos like these. And if you want to see more videos like these, have you ever had the prickly pear fruit? If you have, let me know what you think. Do you enjoy it? Do you like it? Is it not for you? It's not your taste? For clips that did not make this video, you definitely want to follow me on Instagram. That's BIGGLUM, just like it says down below. And of course, you're more than welcome to subscribe. It's all good if you do, it's all good if you don't. But if you don't, you'll be missing out on whatever I get up to next. And half of the time, I don't even know what I'm going to get up to next. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you know when the videos are released. Folks, you know what it is. If you're new to the channel, welcome. This is the kind of stuff that I do. For those of you who have been there with me from day one adventures, you know what I say right now. Say it with me. Get control of your body. Take time for your mind. Love yourself first so you can love others. Until the next time. Peace.